Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to turn the Dodge car into Spiderman car. So for that you require one glue, one paper, one scissors and colors and one pen to draw something. So let's start. And you need one car also for doing every shapes like Spiderman symbols. You can keep like this. If you want your look, now you need to color red color. Carefully and slowly. If you keep that again in the Spiderman symbol coloring, again you need to do with the pencil or you can use sketch pen. Okay, more backside. Carefully, guys. Then it can be cutted. If you become cutted, you cannot make it. So I finish and do like Spiderman eyes for the window of Spiderman. Last year I made one video of Hot Wheels car which turns into an aeroplane. One more side also you need to do it. Because two sides have same design of car. Same thing of it. Now color was now like web you need to keep it like design. Just now only I made it one more side like that same thing. Now you need to color full red color. Same thing also for Spiderman logo. I mean symbol. So I finish making and you need to stick that too. So first take a glue and stick it for one side like this. And you need to do a bonnet of the car of a Spiderman car, because now I am making Spiderman car and Spiderman car has one logo that is like a spider. Because in outside lockdown is there, we cannot buy anything. That time so in home I made my new toy. This is my Spiderman homemade toy. Means it's Spiderman Hot Wheels car. Now I color already. You need to cut it. That also you need to keep glue and front side you need to keep it. Now you need to draw a up view of the car, of the Spiderman car. You can call it Dodge car also because the car name is Dodge car. Color it carefully and cut it also carefully and keep top view. So for that first you need to keep a glue. Oh no, this is not size of it. I cut it little. You can also do size. If you do big size that time, if you keep up, it cannot be nicer. And do like a window shape. And one more thing also you need to think. So we finish. So this car turned into this car. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, bye.